I'm Matthew Haviland here with Keller Realty, South Jersey real estate expert, and I am about to tour the Hampshire model. This is a new construction DR Horton. I'm inviting you to join me for the tour, and let's go check it out. This Hampshire model is available in the Founders Reserve at Harbor Pines community in Egg Harbor Township, new construction community, golf course community. So this is the largest model that will be available there. So this is the Hampshire model, DR Horton, and this one is furnished, beautifully furnished. You have a dining room right here as you come in, hallway here going back to the living area. Beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring. Let's check out the rest of this living area. Open concept, fantastic. You have your living area right here, eating kitchen area, and check out this center island. Massive center island, beautiful cabinetry, backsplash is awesome on this too. Stainless steel appliances. This has the gourmet kitchen package with the double oven, really nice look. You have your separate gas range, microwave right above. Beautiful cabinetry. Looks like quartz countertops, really nice looking countertops. Here's a look at the center island. Dishwashers right there in the island. You have your sink there. And you do also have a little butler's pantry area here. So plenty of cabinet space, plenty of counter space. And I found the pantry. So definitely love to see a walk-in pantry. This is a really nice feature. Very nice feature. This is right across from the butler's pantry. Kitchen's right here, living room area right here. Great position for that. Okay, so on the first floor, right off of the living room, we have this beautiful bedroom here, right on the first floor. Full closet, the back corner of the house. And you also have a full bathroom here. Tile floor, a nice vanity. And this has the tub shower with the subway tile surround. Really nice, and again, this is right off of the bedroom here and right off of the living room. Back here we have the garage and a nice little nook here, and then a coat closet. Let's go take a look upstairs. So upstairs we'll start off with this beautiful loft area. Come right up the steps, and you have this loft. Really nice space here for the loft. Right off the loft, you have the laundry room. Your full-size washer and dryer. There's a window in the laundry room too. And this connects right through to a full-size closet here. And if we go through the closet, it takes you right into the owner's suite. Really nice touch. Laundry room right through the owner's suite. You have a sitting room over here. Really nice space. 2 windows, a lot of natural light coming in this bedroom. And here's a look at the owner's suite. And let's check out the owner's bath. Owner's bath here, we have 2 sinks, separate sinks, plenty of storage right there. Beautiful tile floor. You have the large full-size shower with the window overhead, with the seat, and very easy access for that shower. And linen closet. And then right here we have the private toilet. And it's like another linen closet right here. Yep. So we have 2 linen closets in the owner's suite. Really beautiful space. This is definitely the place you want to be. Spend some time, relax here. You have double doors going into the owner's suite, which they have been removed because this is the model home, but this would be the entry right here. Double doors into the owner's suite. And then we're right back to the steps where we came in. Here's a look at the other bedrooms. Hall bathroom, tile floor, beautiful tub, shower. Again, dual vanities, very nice. Let's go take a look at the back bedroom here. Beautiful space. I like that window there. We'll bump out there in the window. And another walk-in closet with a window, so you have some natural light there in the closet also. Wow, so this is a really nice space up here. And now let's go check out the basement. We do have a finished basement here. Let's go down and check it out. And this one is the staged model home, so it really is nice because you get an idea exactly what this room would look like. Beautiful space. Got a little table set up here. Really nice. And then you do have an unfinished area over here. Little unfinished space here. And you also have more unfinished space over here. And here's a look at your mechanicals. You have your water heater right here. So this is definitely a great place to hang out. If you're looking for a new construction home, you definitely want to check out DR Horton. And the description for this home will be in the video description. I'll have the link, all the details on this particular model. If you're looking for a new home, please contact me. And also download my free report, 5 Myths About Buying a New Construction Home. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.